Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite videos to film, and that is a travel essentials, travel haul, travel prep. These are all the things that will make your journey easier if you have a long haul international flight with multiple legs, multiple layovers. I'm traveling to the Philippines next week for 3 weeks. I have 2 red-eye flights. I have 2 airport overnight layovers, and it is going to be a long and arduous journey. So I just have done a lot of last minute travel prep. I'm also sharing with you some of my tried and true travel essentials and some new things that I had to pick up for this trip. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description below. And most of these items you can easily pick up from Amazon, which is great for that 1-2 day lead time. But if you are in a pinch and you want it same day, one of my favorite places to shop is Kohl's. This video is very generously sponsored by Kohl's. I have a Kohl's 5 minutes down the road from my house, and if I have any kind of a last minute trip or last minute event, I love to quickly place an order online that I can pick up same day. And it usually is ready within a couple hours. Once it's ready, you get the email or the text notification. You just click the link in your email or text for your pickup pass, and then it tells you which bin your order is located, and you can just grab it and go. It is so quick and easy. I have made multiple trips, and I am not done because I still have a few more days to go, but it's definitely one of my go-to places for any last minute essentials I need for myself or my family, not even travel related. I got new sweatpants for my husband. I got some new clothes for my kids. They carry everything you might need from clothing, shoes, accessories, homeware, luggage, baby, kids. I mostly love it for the same day pickup because I feel like I'm always in a rush. If you're not in a rush, they also offer free shipping with any $49 order. But my favorite part about shopping with Kohl's is they have a Sephora inside Kohl's, and they also have the very convenient same day pickup. There is the Kohl's sticker. I have already picked up a few skincare, beauty essentials for my trip. And what's great about the Sephora inside Kohl's is they offer some exclusive items that aren't available at a Sephora standalone boutique. For example, I've already ripped this open, but this is the Sephora Fresh Face Kit. And this is exclusive to Kohl's. So you're not gonna find this at a regular Sephora. This is only inside Kohl's, and fortunately it's now available online. There's another Sephora Favorites kit that is also exclusive to Kohl's. It's called the Perfect Pout Lip Kit. And unfortunately, as I'm filming this, it's sold out. I did order it and it's on the way. Hopefully it gets to me on time before I leave. If it comes back in stock, I will definitely let you know. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram at Heated Mess. Whenever there's a sale or deal or steal or giveaway or freebie or gift with purchase, I will post to my Instagram stories first. But I love these favorites kits, especially if you are traveling, because they have all of your favorite brands, all of their best-selling products within each brand, but in these very convenient little travel sizes. So here is the little baby rare beauty. I like to keep this in my in-flight cosmetics, getting ready travel bag. Here's the iconic London a glow setting spray. You also get a full-size mascara. A lot of times the kits do include at least one full size, and then another travel size of the Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Sunshine Drops. You get a full-size Too Faced lip liner, and then a travel size of the Bare Minerals setting powder. I love these convenient little travel sizes, especially when you have a trip. And you can also sort by travel sizes if you're specifically looking for a smaller size. Once I have all my travel sizes, I can easily keep it in my little toiletry pouch. This is the toiletry pouch that comes inside the Nomad Lane bento bag. It's my little personal item travel bag. Super convenient sizes. This just makes traveling so much easier. I also picked up a few more travel items. This is the Touchland hand sanitizer, and this is in the rosewater scent. I like that this is very moisturizing. It's not drying the way a lot of other alcohol-based hand sanitizers are. So this I can keep in my travel bag. 2 new travel fragrances. I got the My Way Nectar. I am such a huge fan of the Armani My Way fragrances. I have every single flanker, and the Armani My Way Nectar is their newest one. This is a little more citrusy, a little sweeter, a little juicier than the original. And I like to keep the travel perfumes as much as I can. I like to keep it in the box. And then the newest Prada Paradoxe Intense. I prefer the Intense version versus the original Prada Paradoxe. I just also find it's a little sweeter and muskier. My 2 new travel fragrances. For Sephora Collection Skincare, I got a full size of the face wipes. This will go into my check bag for use when I'm at my destination. But then I also got the smaller travel size of the hydrating cleansing wipes because, again, I have a very long journey, and so I'll be doing multiple washing, cleaning my face, getting ready, getting ready for the next leg. So this will stay in my travel bag. This will be in my check bag. And then for the long flight, of course, you need to do an eye mask at least. I would prefer to do a full sheet mask. It just depends on my mood, because sometimes with a full sheet mask, I just don't like it to get into my hairline. But at the very least, I'll do an eye mask or two. I also got the new Rare Beauty Find Comfort Hydrating Hand Cream. I just love her packaging. I haven't tried her hand cream yet, but I do like her fragrance line from the same like body comfort collection. But this is very convenient because the top just twists open and then you can just squeeze out the hand cream. So this is great because unlike other, hand creams that have a removable cap, this one you won't lose because the cap does not remove completely. It just twists open and then twists back closed. The scent is supposed to be very calming and soothing and moisturizing. I think it has like lavender and chamomile, and it is just very relaxing. So this hand cream will also stay in my travel bag. And then I got another of the Sol de Janeiro Jet Set. This is in the pink beige floor versus the yellow Queirosa. The yellow Queirosa fragrance is more like a gourmand vanilla pistachio caramel scent versus the beige floor, which is more of a floral scent. And if you don't already have a clear TSA approved toiletry pouch, this set comes with this pouch and it is carry-on ready. Also from Kohl's same day pickup, this is an essential if you are flying very long haul international flights. You guys have to get compression socks. These are Dr. Motion Everyday Mild Compression Socks. I don't know if they have like different levels of intensity. This is mild compression. Dr. Motion's mild compression socks are designed with graduated support for all day comfort and any activity, maximizes circulation, minimizes swelling, reduces muscle fatigue, and provides lower leg support for everyday activities or travel. I think for compression socks, these are actually decent looking. These just look like plain black socks, but these are very important for your health. While I was in store, I had to check out some accessories. I did want a new like very low-key travel bag while I'm at my destination. I wanted a hands-free crossbody bag that didn't have any glaring logos. And most importantly, it had to have a cell phone pocket in the back. And so I got this from Lauren Conrad. It is the Blair crossbody bag in black. I believe it also comes in like a saddle brown and then maybe a pink, like some nice spring colors. It's got a little detailing here. It's got this metallic trim. It has a pocket in the back for your cell phone. And then this flap opens up and it's got multiple compartments. I love that it's a light interior inside. It has a zip pocket in the back. That's where I usually keep my wallet. And then it also has a divider with a little secret slip pocket in there just to keep it organized. I just love the design. It's so convenient. It's so easy to use. I obviously talk a lot about luxury bags on my channel, but a lot of times when I'm traveling to a new destination or for an extended period of time, or if I'm staying at multiple hotels, maybe not in the best areas, I don't necessarily want to bring my very expensive luxury handbags with me. So this definitely fits the bill and I think it looks really chic and it's only $45. Sticking with bags, I think my carry-on combo will be a Monos roller carry-on that will go in the overhead. And then for my under the seat personal item bag, I have my Nomad Lane bento bag. I love this because it packs like a suitcase. It opens up like a clamshell, but it fits under your seat and it works as a personal item. I did a whole review about this bag so you can check it out. This is also the bag that comes with this toiletry pouch and it has its own little convenient compartment so I can have all of my toiletry and skincare essentials. And it also comes with a very convenient tech pouch, which I will show you exactly what I pack in here. Most of these are my Amazon essentials. But for another bag that I plan on packing within my carry-on, I just got this Tomy just in case tote. I have been eyeing this flat packable tote bag from Tomy for years, and then I just kept passing on it and I finally was like, okay, I just need to get it because it just is so practical. And I'm so glad I got it because look how tiny this packs. It is completely flat. It shows you exactly how it can pack in here. It has a little zip pouch organizer and then it opens up like so. So I haven't even opened it up. But what I love about this Tomy just in case tote versus the Longchamp Les Pliages tote bag that I usually bring, that does also fold flat, but it doesn't have the trolley sleeve that this one does. So here's the little pouch. You can use this as an organizer once you're using this. And the material is very tough. Oh, look, it's got a pocket in the front. And then you have the convenient little trolley sleeve on the back. So super, super convenient to have an extra tote bag, especially if you plan on shopping and doing any kind of like bringing souvenirs or clothing home. It's got a very wide base. And then I like that the inside is silver, so it's easy to see. This pouch also snaps into place right here. So this way you have an extra little organizational pocket. Oh my gosh, that is so smart. This is such a cool design. Glad I'm bringing this, definitely recommend this. I wonder if they will expand their color range, but this is the Tomy just in case, flat, packable, expandable tote bag that then can fold completely flat and fit in this little pouch. And then I just got this PR box in the mail from Kohl'S. Look how cool the box is. It says your new SPF. This is their brand new sunscreen serum. It has SPF 50. This is only available at Sephora, and this is also available at the Sephora inside Kohl's, but I believe these two are the same. So you have the full size, which is going to be perfect. I'll keep this in my checked like toiletry bag. This one I can keep in my carry-on bag, but I love that it's SPF 50 because the sun in the Philippines is very strong. I have to wear a lot of SPF, and so I pack a lot of SPF. So very excited to use this. I also plan to do a separate like what's in my toiletry skincare makeup bag because that deserves a whole separate video. I like to pack a lot of sunscreen. I like to have a lot of makeup with SPF in it. So I usually wear a minimum SPF 30, especially when I'm traveling to any tropical destination. Okay, and then I got 2 more bags to use while I'm traveling because we'll be doing a lot of sightseeing. I'll be traveling around with my family. I went to Universal Studios last week with my son on a school field trip, and I ended up using a very cute mini backpack that was just from Amazon. It was very small, and I loved how convenient having a backpack was while I was, you know, kind of touring around all day. So I figured, you know, I just want like a more grown-up version of a backpack. So I got this from Tory Burch. This is the Virginia flap bag. It's brand new. I haven't done an unboxing yet, so I'll do that first, and then I'll do a review if you want. But I love that this is a little bigger. It has these magnetic clasps here. It's a drawstring at the top. I love that this has 2 full-size water bottle pockets on both sides, and then you have these 2 decorative little, they look like buckle pockets, but it's actually a snap. So very convenient, very organized inside, very sleek. This reminds me of the like Prada nylon bags from the 90s, 2000s. And then I got 1 more bag from Tory Burch, and again, it's brand new. I haven't even opened it yet. It just came in, but this is a bag that I had been eyeing since they released this collection. This is the Tory Burch Kira bag. It's the small Kira flap, but this is the quilted version. So I think when they initially came out with this, it was like the chevron, you know, like vertical lines. Guys, look how cute this is. This reminds me so much of my Chanel 19. So this is the small Chanel 19. This is the Tory Burch small Kira quilted flap. The quilted collection is brand new. When I saw it, I just thought, oh my gosh, I love that style. I love the style. When I went to the Philippines last year, I brought my Chanel 19 and I was worried about it. I was like worried about it. We traveled also to Thailand. You know, we were transiting through a lot of airports. I just didn't want to bring this with me when I'm traveling. So I figured, let me get this version. I really like the style. You can wear it as a crossbody, a shoulder bag. It is so cute. It's genuine leather, very soft, and just the perfect size for all my essentials. So I plan to do a full review, but let me know if you guys have tried the Tory Burch Kira in the small size. I was debating between this and the regular size, but I figured I would go with the smaller one just for my essentials, but very cute. So this is the Tory Burch Kira flap in the small size in the black quilted leather. And then I'm going to quickly run through some of my Amazon travel essentials. These are some that I've had for years and years. My favorite neck pillow is from Cabo, and I believe they came out with the newest version, but I still love this one. I love that it folds up into this compact little ball, and when you unzip the case and open it up, the neck pillow just expands. It's super comfortable. It has these straps that attach to your headrest so your neck isn't bopping around. And then these 2 drawstrings can snap together so that it wraps around your neck, and it's super convenient and comfy and cozy. And it doesn't make you hot. Sometimes these neck pillows it feels like it's suffocating you, but this is almost like, I don't know if it has like a cooling effect, but I don't feel hot with this. And then I got this little pill organizer from Amazon. It has a little snap on the side to lock it in place. And what I love about this is it comes with a stack of pre-made labels for like common medications. So depending on what you use and what you carry, you can all have it pre-labeled, and you just keep it in the little compartments. Super convenient. It also doesn't leak, or sometimes with like some pill cases, if they're loose and if the pill breaks inside, it's just like powder all over. This doesn't do that. So this is super convenient to have all my medication on hand for my trip. For tech, I just got this extension cord charging brick, but it's a multi-port charging brick. So you have multiple regular plugs, and then you have a bunch of slots for USB. You have a USB-C. This is super convenient if you're sharing like a hotel room with someone and there just aren't a lot of outlets, or the outlets aren't close enough to you. The cord itself comes in multiple lengths. I think I chose the shorter one, but you can always opt for the longer one. So I always carry this in my personal item bag. And then here in my tech pouch, I have more electronics. This is the iWalk battery pack charger. There's a little button on the side that you can press to light up and you can see how much juice you have left. This is a super convenient size to charge your phone while you're still using it. So if you're in a pinch and you really want to get some last minute shots, but your phone is absolutely dead, this is what I stick at the bottom of my phone. And then I also have multiple charging, like full-size battery packs. And I prefer these versions that have the plug built in to the back so that you're not running around trying to find a cord. You can just stick this directly into the outlets. This one has a lightning charger, a USB-C charger. There's a button you can press to see the percentage left. It also has charging ports at the top. And then same thing with this version. This has a USB and a USB-C at the top, and then a button to press to tell you how much juice is left. This is 100% fully charged. And then the charging ports on this one are nice because it's multiple. So you have the lightning cable in one, and then this one has the USB-C and a micro USB. And then I have another battery pack in here. This just lives in my little tech pouch. And then I have the other ones scattered around just in case I lose one or something I will never be without. And then for charging cable, I have this multi-port cable. It has a USB on one end, and then on the other end, you can stack the like tips. You have the micro USB at the end, and then you can stack either the lightning or the USB-C on top. So this way you're not running around with a bunch of different cords. You just change it up depending on what you're charging. And then in this zip pocket, I have a wired headset. I also have in a separate pouch, these are my AirPods. My other tech pouch, I have, this is new. This is a AirPod holder. And I know the purpose of AirPods is that you're not, attached to a wire. But especially I have long hair. Sometimes if I'm just like moving my hair, it'll catch on the AirPod and it'll just like fly out of my ear. So I don't want to lose it if I'm on an airplane. So with this, you just stick the AirPod bottom through here, and then you can have the cord in front of you or behind you so that if you accidentally drop one or two AirPods, they don't just disappear into the void. I have this pocket tripod that is completely flat and tiny, like literally the size of a credit card, but then it folds down and you can manipulate it in such a way that it turns into a tripod for your phone. Always an Apple AirTag in every single one of my bags. I have one in my personal item bag, my carry-on bag, each of my check bags. This is essential. I have multiples of these. And then lastly, we have the AirFly. This is what I use on the plane to plug into the entertainment screen. It has the regular like audio jack port, and then it connects via Bluetooth to your AirPod or whatever kind of a headphone or headset you have. So you're not using the airplane headphone, you can use your own AirPods. So the AirFly is great if you want to watch the airplane's entertainment screen, but use your own AirPods or headphones. All right, guys, that is everything that I got for my upcoming trip. These are a lot of essentials that will just make your long haul flight, international travel a lot easier and more comfortable. Everything I talked about will be linked in the description below, so you can click through to shop. If you don't have a lot of time, a lot of these you can purchase with same day pickup from Kohl's. Thank you so much, Kohl's, for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.